Hi everyone, my name is Murteza and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Oracle 12c database step by step. Whether you are a beginner looking to set up your first database or an experienced user wanting to refresh your skills, this guide is perfect to you. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of Oracle database, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick overview of the steps involved in installing Oracle 12c. We'll begin by discussing the necessary materials and the system requirement. Then, we'll talk through launching the Oracle installer and the actual installation process. Following the installation, we'll look at important post-installation configuration. Now, let's ensure that we have everything we need. First, we need the Oracle 12c installation files, an Oracle account for downloading, and a text editor. We can use Visual Studio Code or Notepad for this one. And if you can't find the installation file for Oracle 12c, you can use another version that you have. Just keep in mind that the installation process may differ slightly from what we will cover in this tutorial, but the general theme and the concept will remain the same. So, make sure you have the necessary materials ready, and let's move on to the system requirement. We need to make sure that our system meets the minimum requirement, at least 4 GB of RAM, but 8 GB is recommended. And then 10 GB of disk space for the software, plus additional space for your data. As the time goes by, our data will likely grow larger, so having ample space will help you to manage your database more effectively. I also recommend installing Oracle on a drive other than your local C. This way, your data will remain intact in case of system breakdown or failure. With that in mind, let's move on to the installation task. Start the Oracle installer. Navigate to the directory where you extract the installation files and run setup.exe. I will show you. This is my local files. We just double click the setup.exe. Wait until the Oracle Universal Installer pop-up open. This is the first step. And this one, we just click the next button. Just go through it. Skip software update. And then we wait for the validation of this. In this section, we need to create and configure database, so we choose the first. We can either use the desktop class or server class, but in this version, I will show you how to install the server class. So this only open the configuration that we can manage. If you just click the desktop class, the setup will be automatically decided by the system. So, for your information, we will use the server class. We choose the single instance database installation and choose the advanced install. English language, and you can choose the language you need. We choose the enterprise version. This one, I will use my Windows built-in account, but if you need another account, you can change and you can create the Windows user first and input in this part, but I will use the Windows built-in account. Okay, I will continue. Now, this is where we install the application, the database. As I mentioned before, we need to choose the directory to install the Oracle database. I will use the local D files and I will make a new folder called Oracle. So we just click the create new folder, rename it as Oracle. Okay, I will enter that and I select this folder. So the software location will be on d/oracle/product blah blah blah. Okay, after you choose the directory you need, you can click next button, and this one we choose the general purpose or transaction processing. This is the global database name. You can either use the default ORCL or you can change to another one. I will use the default, the ORCL. But if you want to change, like, okay, ORCL 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can use that. Just make sure that you remember this. Okay, after that, we next. And this is why we choose the server class, because we can change the setting of memory, a character set, and we can create database with sample schema. Okay, I will check mark this one, and the memory I will use the enable automatic memory management. After that, next, file system we leave as it is. Next, I will not register with cloud control. No enable recovery, so we just click next. This is how we change the password of the system administrator. So you can use the same password for all account, or you can define for each of them separately. You can change maybe this one, and this one is different like the others, or you can just use this. For example, I will use the same password for all accounts. After that, you can just click next. The installation will inform you if the password you enter is doesn't meet the recommended standard. You can just continue this, but if you want to change the password to be more strength, you can do as you please. So we just need to wait of this checking, and this is the summary or what we choose, like the location, installation, and the password, and so on. The next step, we just click install. So we will wait until the process is finished. Time required is depend on how fast your system. Like if you have a high-end PC or a high-end server, this process can be done just in a minute, I think. So we just need to make sure that the progress is already at 100. Okay, the installation is complete for this one. You can click the password management to choose if you need to change the password for this. If you don't need it, just click OK, and it will continue the installation. And if this pop-up finish, it will say the installation of Oracle database was successful. So we just click close for this one, and that's it. The installation is complete. After the installation complete, we need to verify the installation by checking the Oracle services. We just search the services.msj. After the pop-up open, we just search for the Oracle service like this. Make sure that the Oracle service ORCL is running and the TNS listener is running. And after all of the Oracle service is running like this, the second is we can try to connect to the database using SQL Plus. You just need to search SQL Plus from your application list, and it will pop up like this, and you just input the username of SYS. As SysDBA is mandatory for this as you connect to the SYS, so we need to make sure that we open as SysDBA. Enter the password you have set before, so make sure you note this and open that. In this part, we already connected to the database of SYS, so the post installation task is already complete. Let's recap what we have done. First, we already verified the system requirement and download and prepare the installation file. Then we run the Oracle Universal Installer and perform post-installation tasks. So I'm pleased to say that we have successfully completed the installation of Oracle 12c. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Feel free to leave question or comment below, and I will get back to you. See you in the next video.